When he got in his car today, Daniel Lallier wasn't sure it would start. He leased it back in May, and with the help of his grandmother, he decided to buy it out in July. That's when he found out the Sherbrooke Kia dealership who sold him his vehicle equipped it with a GPS immobilizer.
I cleared a balance back here back in July, and ever since they've been wanting to have me remove this GPS device in here, and they want me to pay the $200 for a mechanic that they got to have it removed.
Last Friday, the dealership texted Lallier to inform him his car had been deactivated. They said it would remain that way until he paid the fee.
In this case, the car had already been paid out, so it wasn't their car anymore. It's completely illegal to stop somebody else's car. And
he points out the $200 fee was also questionable.
They also cannot charge somebody a $200 disconnection fee for a device that they already paid to connect and were paying a monthly service charge.
Lallier's contract did include a $1,693 fee for devices, as well as a monthly charge of just under $6 for the GPS. But nowhere does it state there would be a GPS removal fee. Quebec's Consumer Protection Office confirms it's illegal to charge fees that aren't clearly outlined in the contract. In an email, the agency also stated it's illegal to harass someone to recover debt, and that withholding someone's vehicle could qualify as harassment. The CBC reached out to the Sherbrooke Kia dealership, but it didn't respond. However, within an hour, a representative texted Lallier. The dealership now offered to remove the device at Lallier's convenience, free of charge. Lallier agreed and filmed the technician as he removed the device from his car. Lallier is satisfied that the dealership sent someone over to his house today to remove the immobilizer from his vehicle, but he might not be through with them quite yet. Turns out he was charged a $699 fee to open his customer account with the credit department. This is illegal in Quebec. Lallier intends to follow up with the province's Office de la Protection du Consommateur. Claude Rivet, CBC News, Sherbrooke.